Two state lawmakers are taking action after our investigation into a program blocking nearly 1 million Texans from renewing their driver's license over unpaid traffic tickets. Investigator Kelly Wiley looks into the proposals at the Capitol that could put an end to the failure to appear and pay program.
A system impacting thousands of Texas drivers now under fire after a K-Sane investigation revealed nearly 1 million current court orders sent to a DPS vendor, Omnibase, to block drivers from getting their licenses renewed. State law gives judges the power to do that until those drivers pay unpaid parking and traffic tickets. That system, critics say, leaves some of the state's poorest drivers in debt, without a license for years and at risk for more charges and even jail time if they get on the road.
I feel like I'm climbing the hill.
Following our investigation, Representative Diego Bernal filed a bill to repeal the failure to pay and appear program and to stop use of that third-party vendor Omnibase, which we found adds fees when names are entered into its system.
I think a cynical person could pull back and say, this just looks like a way for them to make more money.
Senator Nathan Johnson is taking a different approach, filing a bill to require judges to stop blocking people from renewing their license if they start payment plans or community service.
What I'm trying to do is make sure that if somebody already is complying with the program, they're not finished, but they're starting to make payments, they can get their license back. How else are they going to make the payments if they can't drive to work?
Judge Brian Holloman with the Texas Municipal Courts Association says he fears the legislation will threaten the tools courts have to bring in traffic violators.
There are some circumstances where someone is doing the things that they can do, and the judge doesn't remove that hold until they completely comply with that judgment. And in those circumstances, perhaps the judge should look at doing something different. The intent of Senate Bill 270, I think all that's going to do is that's going to encourage people not to come to court, not to try to resolve their outstanding judgments. The scenario occurred where both Senator Johnson's bill and Representative Bernal's bill passed, then there would be no enforcement authority by a municipal judge or a justice of the peace.
Data obtained from DPS shows in October of last year, there were active orders from Texas municipal judges and justices of the peace to deny driver's license renewals to nearly 1 million people. DPS officials say nearly half of those people have a license that's already expired, and they're not allowed to renew until they pay off their tickets.
Kelly, thank you. We will be following what happens with both bills as they move through the legislature. You can watch our original Trapped by Tickets investigation right now on our website. Just look for the link in this story in the Texas Politics section. Thank you again for joining us for State of Texas. I'm Josh Hinkle. We'll be back next week to bring you an in-depth look at Texas politics.